the start, we felt it was important to maintain low camper-to-staff ratios. And that's why today, we still average just 5 students per staff member and 6 students per instructor, ensuring camper safety and one-on-one customized instruction.
I'm going into my 3rd year at Tufts University, double majoring in computer science and mathematics.
I'm majoring in physics, and I hope to one day get my PhD in theoretical physics.
I have my Bachelor's of Science in Biology.
I go to UCSB and I study mechanical engineering.
I'm currently a PhD student in instructional technology at the University of Texas at Austin.
I'm a multimedia design major, so I do a lot with Flash.
I went to UCLA, studied design there, studied specifically video and design.
Study mechanical engineering.
And I got my MFA last year from CalArts.
I went for my undergrad at Rochester Institute of Technology, and my concentration was in web design and multimedia, and now I'm back at RIT doing school psychology.
While at ID Tech Camps, each student is also provided their own computer, so there is no need to share or bring your own. ID Tech Camps is a non-competitive environment. Likewise, it isn't anything like a typical lecture-style classroom where you would learn with 20 or 30 other students. Our small lab clusters create a whole new learning experience.
When a lot of camps tout that they have an average of 6-to-1 student-to-instructor ratio, they are typically including a director or other staff members that might be there and not necessarily instructing. When we say that we provide an average of a 6-to-1 student-to-instructor ratio, we're not including the director, we're not including those extraneous staff members. Those are the instructors who are actually teaching.
There's a very low student-to-teacher ratio, so I'm able to talk to my students and really ask them what that individual student wants to learn, and then customize my course for the needs of each particular student.
Maintaining such tight ratios is a huge undertaking, but the results are clear. We often hear families comment that students learn more in 1 week with us than they do in an entire school year.
Anybody can sit through a tutorial, but coming here, they get, the computer experience, but they need the social experience too.
At our camps, online tutorials do not replace instructors. Instructors have to instruct, they have to teach, they have to inspire.
Not only should you expect our signature ratios at camp, but you'll also be surprised by our staff retention. We invest in our staff, treating them just like family. This ensures their return season after season. We have summer staff that have been with us since 1999. They return because of the positive work environment. They want to work for the best, attracting the cream of the crop.
It's a great place to work. We got great staff. Everybody's very knowledgeable. They know what they're doing. They're independent, and they work really well with the kids. They're trained well.
We devote an impressive amount of planning, energy, and resources to training our summer staff in person. Staff fly in from all over the country to attend our regional training sessions well in advance of camp. Prior to our in-person trainings, staff must complete an in-depth application process, pass rigorous interviews, background checks, reference checks, and technical quizzes. We also provide unparalleled resources to our staff to ensure high-quality programs at all locations nationwide.
I just want to comment for a few moments on the tremendous commitment to risk management that is part of ID Tech Camp's philosophy. ID Tech sees risk management as an essential process for a safe operation of their program and for giving their directors and staff the tools they need to be successful. It is a live, ongoing process. They bring in outside trainers such as myself every year, but also they take the process and integrate it into review of sessions and seasons with updated policies each year.
The quality of the counselors is just wonderful. He said the counselor he had this week is the best counselor he's ever had in any camp he's ever been to.
It's a really fun job. I'm very passionate about the technology that I'm working with and teaching it to these kids.
Students work all week to complete an exciting project that they are proud to debut to you during Family Showcase. At the end of the week, you'll see just how much your student has accomplished.
They're using their mind and they're getting to think about stuff. I mean, they're working, they're learning. And that's part of the problem with summer is that you don't get, the brain goes stagnant. And they all want to be here. And he's been to about 3 or 4 camps this summer, and this is his favorite one.
We also invite you to be an active participant in our graduation ceremony, where each student is recognized by their instructor with a personalized Diploma of Texcellence.
You have the craziest ideas for a game I've ever seen, and I am glad that you stopped at nothing to keep them coming and to use them to make your game funny and unique. You did a good job using these ideas and expanding them into entertaining and difficult levels in your game.
From our family to your family, we hope to see you this summer.
It was collegial, it was highly interactive, a lot of caring, a lot of attention on him individually, really building on his needs, really lives up to the name Internal Drive. It really does.